Now to the pandemic and the race for a vaccine. One of the leading candidates has suffered a setback, and its global trials have been put on pause. CBS News Elise Preston has more.
On pause for now, drug maker AstraZeneca is halting its phase 3 trial of a possible COVID-19 vaccine after one participant came down with an unexplained illness. It's not exactly known what happened to the patient or if it's even linked to the vaccine. Dr. Jeff Ponoff works at University of Wisconsin Health, a testing site for the potential vaccine. He took the drug last week and says it's not unusual for trials to be brought to a temporary standstill.
If there's any whisper or a wisp of something that would have gone wrong, or sometimes it's just related to regulatory issues, there's so much paperwork and I's dotted, T's crossed, that they would stop the trial temporarily while they figure something out.
Drug maker Moderna is also in phase 3. Dr. Richard Novak oversees its testing site in Chicago.
There is some political pressure, fortunately, I feel like we've been mostly shielded from it.
President Trump continues to push for and promise a vaccine by the end of the year. White House coronavirus advisor Dr. Anthony Fauci said today on CBS This Morning he's cautiously optimistic that can be done.
The projection that I've made, and I'll stick by it, is that we would likely get an answer if this is safe and effective by the end of the year, likely November, December. And hopefully we'll be able to start vaccinations in earnest as we begin 2021.
9 of the world's leading drug makers announced a pact promising not to release a vaccine that hasn't been thoroughly tested. This comes as a CBS poll shows only 21% of Americans say they would take a vaccine as soon as it's ready. Elise Preston, CBS News, New York.